Hello guys, today I want to show you how you replace a screen. A customer came with this laptop. It's a Chromebook, and customer is complaining about the white edges on the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the screen completely and put a new screen. Hopefully the problem will be solved. So it's a Dell Chromebook. You remove those top two screws. They are securing the panel which is covering the screen. So you remove them. Normally there's a cover, a plastic cover. You remove them. I've used a blade to remove that one. Then you remove the screws. After removing the screws carefully, you remove the panel that is covering the screen. You do everything carefully because the screen is very sensitive. You can break the screen completely. So now after removing the cover, there are 4 screws which secure the top of the screen. You have to remove those 4 screws so that you carefully you carefully lift your screen. So that's what I'm doing there. I have removed the first screw, the second screw, then the other 2 screws. After removing those screws, then you can have access to the belt that is connecting the screen to the motherboard. So that's what I have to do. This one is 11.6 inches. You can see it's N116, so it's 11.6 inch screen. Then there's a tape securing the screen. Then you remove it carefully. That part is very sensitive, that part of the screen, so you have to do it carefully. I have removed the screen successfully. Then now I have brought a new screen. That one is a new screen, a brand new screen. So I'm going to replace the old screen with a new screen. After that, then I am now inserting the belt which is connecting the screen to the motherboard. That belt, I have to insert it very carefully. Then we have to put the phone aside. Then I am inserting the screen carefully. I have inserted the screen and put back the tape. Then you have to make sure that it's secure. A tight grip on that, very tight, but also very careful, because that part which is written in red, you do not have to touch that part. If you touch that part, the whole screen can be damaged. So I have pressed it. Make sure that I have done it securely but carefully. Then after, you now have to screw back the screws on the screen. The 4 screws, you have to put the 4 screws. I am using this one. Okay, then you have inserted the screw. Then you do everything very carefully because the screen is sensitive. All 4 screws are now secure. Now I put back the panel. Carefully you clip back the panel, making sure that you don't damage the screen. You apply some pressure, but you make sure that your pressure is good enough to secure the panel but not to break the screen. Right, then you now put back the 2 top screws that secure the screen. So basically guys, this is what you do. It's very simple to replace a screen on a laptop. The only materials that you need is the screwdriver, maybe, and a blade, so that you remove the back cover. Make sure you follow my Facebook account and you like. I'm going to share more videos on how to repair laptop. I am Kuzawa, but soon if you have some laptops, you can bring them over to our shop for review. As you can see, the screen is now okay. No white edges on the screen. The screen is now okay. Hopefully the customer will be happy.